Then question number 8. It's a, you need to know what is currency chest. Currency chest is in use because of demonetization. Because it is said that in currency chest only the highest corruption have happened. I am not going into detail. Because from there only money have you seen people when we were standing in queue in ATM for 2,500 rupees at their home, new notes, lakhs and crores of rupees is there with certain people's. What has happened here? Government is also thinking, income tax is also thinking, RBI is also thinking, how it has happened here? New currency, even bank is not giving them money. ATM is also not available. How crores of rupees is staying in their person's hand? Then what? These people are very smart. They know that where to catch. They bribed RBI person. They bribed bank managers. Then what is the problem? They will get the money. I am not going into it. Okay. Question number 9. See, regarding this concept on exchange traded fund, it's a very important current affair which I will be discussing because it requires around 30 minutes to explain. I am also tired, you are also tired. Okay, so I told you, see, here we will not discuss any question concept, we will discuss, I will explain to you because it's very important. Exchange traded fund is important because the government is coming with the second PSU exchange traded fund. We will discuss, I am telling almost you may expect a question on exchange traded fund. We will discuss the concept while discussing capital market because unless and until I discuss capital market, will not come here. So don't worry, capital market we have not taken. While discussing capital market, in the capital market topic, the most important current affair is exchange traded fund. We will discuss. Now, in this case, for time being, you understand that all the three statements are correct. All the three statements are correct. But since you are not aware of this concept of exchange traded fund, you can't apply any elimination method. But once you are clear with it, you can solve this question. So what I will do is, when I will be dealing exchange traded fund topic, I will bring this question over there as a model question, and then after explaining the concept, we will solve it. We will solve some method. Okay. Now come to the next question. Which type of question it is? It is a statement wise question. 4 statement question. Danger lies there. What danger? So, what does it mean here not? You have to find out what. Which of the following are not covered under NPS? Are not covered under NPS. Now tell me, central government employee. Is it covered? It is covered. The question is not covered. So can you eliminate choice A and C? Can you eliminate? You know that. See, everybody knows that central government employee is included under new pension scheme. So we can eliminate. So answer is not covered. We have to find not covered. So you can eliminate A and C. So it means that from this I got one more knowledge. What? Unorganized sector is also included. 4th, by knowing central government employees included under NPS, I got additional information. What? Why 4 is also not there. Now you have 2 choices left. Answer is either B or D. What is the specialty of B or D? In both, choice 4 is not there. What does it mean? Unorganized sector is included under new pension scheme. It's included under new pension scheme. Now choice is between, now you have to find out whether 2 is there. Check state government employee. It is there and you got the answer. Without knowing whether private sector employees are there or not. What happened? Your brain is not working. Did you got the answer? What is the answer? Why there is no happiness in your face after getting answer? You don't know what is NPS. See, apply it. See, this is how you have to solve questions. This is how you will get answer. What do you want? We want only answer. We don't want any certificate from any person that you are very good in geography or you are good in economy or good in history. What your parent will ask you? Sir, Amma, I got 118 marks. Amma will ask you, did you qualify prelims? No. Then you have to explain, Amma, I missed by 2 marks only. You didn't qualify. Get lost. 1 year of my money has gone. So be very clear. Be very clear. You can't say, don't go after this small. If you want to ensure that you want to clear prelims, I'll never ask students to wait for 120. Your target has to be 140. And it's achievable. 140 marks is achievable. I'm telling you. 140 marks is achievable. Provided you follow what I've said you. Follow it. That is not in my hand. Follow what I'd said from the beginning itself. So you got the answer. Then, so this is another pattern of UPSC question. This is another pattern of UPSC question. But find out how you're getting answer. See how you're getting answer. Now tell me whether you applied, whether you got the answer for this question while writing this test. You are knowing, see, it means that, see, you know that central government employee and state government employee is surely coming under NPS. That was sufficient to answer this question. Did you answer that question? Did you got your answer correct? Then it's okay. If you don't get it, then some problem. Then question number 11. What type of question it is? ABCD. What is the rule? Read all. Now in this question, an employee's provident fund is tax exempt from contribution. Everyone know that. EPF is triple E. Contribution, yes, A. If you jumped, A is correct. A is correct. B is also correct. C is also correct. Then comes choice D. All of the above. If you don't follow the rule, what will happen? What will happen? You will see, actually in this 11th question, if you made the silly mistake not reading all the 4 choices, your loss is not 0.66. Your loss is 2.66. You are going, so it was a sure 2 marks for you, that you didn't get it, plus you are given UPSC another 6.66 mark. So don't make this mistake, an area where you are strong enough, you know it, and then making it wrong. That is a big loss for you. Question number 12. It's a concept. Question number 12 is a concept related question. See, this question can be answered by 2 ways. One, by knowing what is insider trading. Answer is insider trading. But even, sorry, it's a question on black money. Sorry, it's a question on black money. One is, see, if you see the choice, if you know the black money definition, you can answer it. Or if you know the definition of other choices, then also you can answer the question. You are getting the point? ABCD question, read all the choice. While reading the choice A, you know that, hey, this is not the explanation. Because if you know what is a non-performing asset, you know that, no, non-performing asset is bad loan. No. Binami property, I know what is a Binami property. No. Insider trading, I know what is insider trading. I had studied in capital market. No. Then, I am little bit confused about black money definition. Confusion over. Because A and B, C is not the answer, you got the answer. Then 13, question number 13, 2 statement question. Only PMI, what? How it can be only? It is for service sector and manufacturing. Then, have you noticed this point in every newspaper article on this? In every newspaper article, this point will be written. Whenever, see, every month, 2 times, one news will be on services index and one on manufacturing index, purchasing managers index news. Every month, 2 days news will be on it. In all the news, and then sometimes if the index is having some problem, there will be editorial also. In all the news, this second point you can see it. Have you seen it if you have read news? Yes. So it's a very important point. Now UPSC can change it also. Above 50 means expansion, below 50 means contraction. So answer is first is wrong, second is correct. Now regarding 14th question. 14th question. Cash management bill. Now you know that cash management bill is a short term instrument. Short term means money market instrument. Yes or no? Cash management bill is a money market instrument. What it has been given in the first statement? Long term capital market instrument. That statement is wrong. That statement is wrong. Apply elimination method. You got the answer. You got the answer. See, everybody knows that, or you need to be very clear with it. You need to be very clear with it that, and cash management bill is very, very, very important. Why? Because of demonetization. Because of demonetization. Question number 15. Here another thing which I want to convey to you, that it's a 4 statement question. See the choice. Is there any specialty of that choice? Choice will give you one very important knowledge. What is that? Only one is wrong. Did you got that knowledge? See, what is the question? Question says that which of the following practice or program are promoted by SEBI? 4 have been given. In all the choices, 3 are correct. What you can conclude? There is only one thing is wrong. So SEBI is promoting 3 practice or program. Only one. So you can either find all what is there, or you can find out what is not there. Which is easy for you? What is not there? What is your answer? So be very, see, that's what I'm telling, choice will give you very important information. But here in this choice, there is no problem. All the choices were having 3. Now suppose in the choice B, it was 1 and 2, then it will not work. Then that rule will not work. In all the choice, it is clearly saying, in all the choice 3 are there. 3 are correct, 3 are correct, 3 are correct, 3 are correct. It means that only one is wrong. Find what is wrong. Find that the front. If you know that, see, what will happen is, actually in this question, you don't know what is currency future. And that's a big headache. But you know that insider trading is not. So once you know that insider trading is prohibited, then eliminate that choice. Eliminate that choice. You got the answer. So follow it. In this question, this certain questions UPSC ask like this. Choice will be like this. Question number 16. See, this is a ABCD question. Looks a very difficult question, but actually it was one of the easiest questions. What is the question here? The problem is, first problem is not. First problem is not. From if it is not, what you can conclude? 3 are correct, only 1 is wrong. And that wrong is your answer. Yes or no? What is the question? Which one of the following is not the service provided by GSTN? Not the service provided by GSTN. Not. So it means that 3 services is being provided, only 1 service is not provided, and that you have to find out. In that, read the choice B. First line. What is it? Direct tax. What is GST? That is sufficient. That's your answer. See, actually, I have not discussed what is GST. We will be discussing it later on, don't worry. But you know that GST is an indirect, if this knowledge is there, you need to know that GST is an indirect tax, then that is sufficient to get the answer. That is sufficient to get the answer. So follow it. Question number 17. Again, it's a question on DTA. What about the first statement? Again, see the choice. See the choice of question number 17. What is this? Question number 17 choice. What it says? Only one is wrong. And regarding Cyprus, we know that LOB benefits is not given to Cyprus. What is this LOB benefit? Third statement. Third statement. Yes or no? That provision have not been given to Cyprus, and that is sufficient to get the answer. LOB benefit is not given to Cyprus. What is this LOB benefit? That is the third statement. See, you know that only one statement is wrong. You know only one statement is wrong. Actually, see again I am telling you, those students who are not thorough with double taxation avoidance agreement, they will find what is this LOB benefit and what. But those students who know double taxation avoidance agreement, who know the features, and if they have studied like this, it might have been very easy. You need to know what is LOB. And then you find out that third statement is wrong. If you know that third statement is wrong, you got the answer. Question number 18. It's a direct question, simple question. Lucky Grah Yojana, it's a new scheme again because of demonetization to promote digital. Angel investor, again we will study in detail in capital market, basically two. It's a seed. Again ABCD question. ABCD question. Read A, B, C and D. What answer you found? It is a long-term startup capital to new entrepreneurs.